Today we're gonna eat a poor man's tuna sandwich. My mom used to make this for me when I was a kid. Super simple, super flavorful. It gives a little homage to my Indonesian heritage. Take your tuna that's in a can full of oil, pour the oil into the pan. The red onion, that looks like it's about a quarter. Dice it up nice and fine. Put your onion in the pan, mix that up. Add your salt. Add your pepper, mix it all up. Now, you're gonna add your garlic. You're gonna cook your garlic for about a minute and a half before adding your tuna. Start mixing it up, breaking it apart. And now here comes the Indonesian part of the recipe. You add some sambal. You can put any type of sambal you like. Over here, I'm putting some sambal bajak. I take about a spoon. Put as much or as little sambal as you like, depending on how much heat you can handle. I like to cook it to the point where you don't see much oil that's left in the pan. Here we have some multi-grain bread. Just gonna cut it in the middle. Make sure to toast your slices of bread. Ooh, nicely toasted bread. Just put your poor man's tuna over the bread. Look at that. Super simple. So there you have it, my poor man's tuna sandwich with some Indonesian flavors. Brings me back to my childhood. Let's have a bite. Super simple to make. I love the Indonesian flavors. Try it at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, check out these other great videos and make sure to subscribe.